Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, as Christmas is round the corner, so today I have brought to you a very quick and easy to make pattern of earrings with these pearls and bicones. You can see the shape that has been created here is of a box. So I have named these earrings as pearl boxy earrings. So here I have already made these earrings in green color, again a Christmas color, one more color, the red color you can see. Both these are Christmas color and these are so easy. You would love to make these earrings and gift it to your friends and family on occasion of Christmas. So friends, here I have already shown you these earrings in two colorways, the green and the red. And you can see the difference the drop is making to these earrings. This larger drop is adding volume to these earrings and even increasing the size of these earrings. So choice is yours. If you want to use the smaller drop or the longer one, it's up to you. So you can see how beautiful these earrings look. And in today's video, we are going to make these earrings in this gorgeous peach color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our pearl boxy earring in peach color. Friends, for making our pearl boxy earring in this beautiful peach color, we are going to use these 4 mm bicones in peach color. Then I'm going to use these 6 mm pearls. These are 6 mm shell pearls in light pink color and 3 mm shell pearls in again light pink color. Then I'm going to use these drop beads of size 12 by 8 mm in peach color. Here I'm going to use these 11 O's. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 11 O's and these are 15 O's. Again in the same color. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 15 O's. Here I'm going to use the beaver back ear hooks for my earrings. I'll be working with sono thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, we will start making our pearl boxy earring by picking up these 6 mm pearl, 1 6 mm pearl, 1 3 mm pearl, 1 4 mm bicone, 1 3 mm pearl, 1 4 mm bicone and 1 3 mm pearl. So here I have picked up these 6 beads and now I'm bringing these down towards the end of my thread. And now I'm going to tie a double knot here. Like this. And now holding the threads into the 6 mm pearl, pulling in the tail like this. And now I have picked up these 5 beads, 1 3 mm pearl, 4 mm bicone, 1 3 mm pearl, 1 4 mm bicone and 1 3 mm pearl. So these 5 beads, and now moving back into the 6 mm pearl like this. Stepping up into the first set of beads, the 3 mm pearl and the bicone, and into this 3 mm pearl at the center. And now I'm picking up 4 11 of silver back into the pearl like this, stepping up into the first 2 11 O's, again picking up 1 11 O down into the 2 11 O's like this, into the 3 mm pearl, like this. After exiting through this 3 mm pearl, I'm picking up 5 11 of silver, these 5 11 of silver, and as I'm exiting through this side of 3 mm pearl, I'm going to pass through the 6 mm pearl from the opposite side. So this way, like this. And now picking up 3 11 of silver and counting from the 11 of here, 1 2 3 4, down through this 4th 11 of, like this, picking up 1 11 of silver and into the 3 mm pearl, like this, down into the bicone and the 3 mm pearl, into the 6 mm pearl, and as here I'm exiting through the 6 mm pearl, I'm going to pick up 5 11 of silver once again, and here as I'm exiting through this side of the 6 mm pearl, I'm going to pass through the opposite side this way through the 3 mm pearl, like this. Now picking up 1 11 of silver, skipping the first 11 of up through the second one, just keep your thread nice and tight here. Now picking up 3 11 O's and through this side of the 6 mm pearl, like this. So you can see the boxy shape we have created over here. And now down through the 3 mm pearl, the bicone, and into this middle 3 mm pearl. So here I'm exiting through this middle 3 mm pearl at the bottom, and here as I'm exiting through this 3 mm pearl, I'm picking up 4 15 of silver back into the 3 mm pearl, stepping up into the first 2 15 of silver, picking up 1 15 of silver, down through the next 2 15 of silver, back into the 3 mm pearl, into the 3 15 together, exiting through the middle one that we have added just now, like this. And now I'm going to pick up 1 11 of silver, my drop bead, and 1 11 of silver. So here I have picked up these 3 beads, 11 of my drop bead and 1 11 of silver, bringing these down. Now skipping the 11 at the bottom, I'm moving up through the drop bead and the next 11 like this, and into the 15 from the opposite side, like this. So here we have added the drop, moving up through the 215s into the pearl, into the bicone and the 3 pearl, into the 6 pearl, and now I'm going to add the ear hook to my earring. So I'm moving up into the 3 pearl and the bicone, into the 3 pearl, up through the 3 11s, exiting through the middle one. And now you can see this is the front of our earring, and I'm going to add 2 11 silver, and my ear hook, it should be faced this way. This is the front, so it should be hold this way like this. And here I'm exiting through this side of the 11, so holding it after picking up 2 11s into the ear hook, again picking up 2 11s back into this 11. Let us just check that we have added it correctly or not. Yeah. Now just push it down and hold it. Stepping up into the first 11. Now pick up 115 silver into the second 11, the ear hook, and into the third 11, the three together. Like this, just keep it nice and tight. Now again picking up 115 silver down through this fourth 11 that we had added, and skipping this bottom one up into the 11 and the 15 silver into the 11 at the top, the ear hook, and the next 11 together down through the 15 and the next 11 like this. So here we have added our ear hook down into the 11, down through these 11s at the bottom, and here I'm going to tie a knot in between the 11 and the 3 pearl. One more knot, into the pearl, one more knot here in between the pearl and the 11 up through these 11s, just taking one more pass through these 11s in the loop, and into these 11 down through the two 11 here, and I'm going to cut the thread off, and of course the tail of this thread that I forgot to cut previously. So here we have cut the thread and the tail, and here is our earring, our pearl boxy earring in peach color. You can see the look, how gorgeous they look, the classy look of these earrings. Let us just take a quick look of the other colorways, the one in the green and the other one in the red. The three beautiful colors and beautiful earrings, and they are going to complement any attire of yours, and I'm sure you will love to make these earrings and give it to your friends, your family members on the occasion of Christmas. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste and Merry Christmas.